to be doing a quick fire video on my 5 top considerations that you should be taking into account when you are looking to study and start studying for your accountancy qualification. So no messing around today, let's get stuck straight in with point number 1. The career you aspire to may affect the qualification that you choose. If you are aspiring to a role within a top 4 accountancy firm, then you are more likely to be sitting your ACA or your ACCA qualification. If you are going into industry and working for a big company such as Apple, Microsoft, those types of companies, then you will probably be sitting either CIMA or potentially as well ACCA. Have a think about the roles that you aspire to and make a decision on your qualification, which will help you get to your aspired role. In at number 2 is your employer's preference. Have a discussion with your employer around what qualification they would like you to sit. If they are paying for your qualification, then do take this into consideration, as the qualification should be of mutual benefit. In at number 3, exemptions. What study path have you taken prior to wanting to become a qualified accountant? Have you got any exemptions from any of the big qualifications in CIMA, ACA and ACCA? Which qualification will give you more exemptions and therefore less exams for you to sit? Thus, meaning that you pass your exam in a shorter amount of time. But it is important to note at this time that you still need to consider your career aspirations, because even if you get more exemptions by sitting CIMA as an example, yet you want to become a big 4 chartered accountant, then CIMA probably isn't the correct route for you. In at number 4, start to research your study methods. Do you prefer face-to-face, online, distance learning? I recommend you do a mixture of those 3 and become comfortable with the one that you prefer. For me, I prefer distance learning, and therefore I did all mine as distance learning online. But start researching those methods early, because as soon as you are ready to start studying, you want to be sure that you know exactly what method you choose to avoid any delays with you sitting your first exam. In at number 5, and the big one for me, what are your timeline aspirations for becoming fully qualified? For me, it was always 3 years, and in order to meet that 3-year 14 exam guidance, I worked out that I needed to sit an exam every couple of months, and that was the plan that I executed. Be mindful of how long you want it to take you, because that will enable you to plan and ultimately give you the motivation for the pace that you work through your exams. So they are my quick fire top 5 tips and considerations for anyone looking to study towards becoming an accountant. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next one, goodbye.